Okay, I was going to go all the way to the sphere, but this will just be the last part.
Okay.
Okay, so we get 4. So now we had 4 times 8/9 times 24 over 25. And the next thing we did, first they chopped it into thirds, then into fifths,
Then into sevenths.
then into sevenths. And so if we do our what's left bit, and after I remove the initial 1/7, or 1/49,
48 49.
that's 48 over 49. And then we keep going this way.
Times
What's the next one going to be?
63 64ths. Oh. Wait, no, we're only going odd, so it would be 80 over 81.
80 over 81.
It seems like
120 over 121.
what seems like the pattern here is it's one less than
The odd
odd
squares.
square, odd square.
Yeah,
and
very
the
good.
odd square on the bottom.
Very good. So you're right, we can factor this, and it's actually really important. How do you factor n squared minus 1?
Well, it's n minus 1 times n plus 1.
Okay, so let's look at the fun way this factors. So n here is 3, so 8/9 factors into n minus 1, n is 2.
Yeah.
Sorry, n is 3. 2 times 4 over 3 times 3.
Yep.
Can you see how this one factors? N is 5 here.
So it'd be 4 times 6 over 5 times 5. And then 6 times 8 over 7 times 7.
So on the top I start with a 2, and then I go 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10.
Yeah.
And on the bottom,
3,
I go 3, 3, 5, 5.
7, 7, 9, 9.
And believe it or not, this is a well-known product inside the parentheses that equals pi over 4
Pi over 4.
times
Interesting.
4, which is
Pi.
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 So there's all of our fractions.
So the area of that is pi.
So the area of that is pi.
So the area of this square with pieces chopped out is pi.
So the area with the square with pieces chopped out is pi.
Wow.
Why is that weird?
Because it's a square.
But pi
Where-
usually relates to circles.
Where does pi come in a square?
Yeah, well, it's not really a square anymore because we've really modified it.
Yeah, so it's like squares with parts taken out.
It's like squares with very particular parts taken out. What do you think? Do you believe it? Do you believe
Yeah.
the area that's left there is pi?
Seems logical.
It seems logical.
Like from what we did.
Yeah, it seems like the math follows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem like it would. Doesn't seem like it would be pi. It seems very unlikely that it would be pi in a modified square.
Yeah, it seems weird that we would see pi in this situation. Let me tell you another thing here that seems weird that may be harder to see initially. 8/9, bigger than 1, less than 1.
It's less
24 25ths, bigger than 1, less than 1.
Less, and less.
So I keep multiplying by numbers that are less than 1.
than. You start with 4.
Right, I start with 4 and I keep shrinking it a little bit
Just
every
a
time.
little bit. And then you get.
But I
Okay,
don't
no.
go to 0. Remember when I did a bunch of 8/9ths, I went to 0.
But it looks like here you're converging on 1.
Yeah.
But you end with 3.14. 1592653.
Yeah. It's funny. It's strange.
Yeah.
All right. Good work, guys. This is actually a neat little project.